Okay, our activity for today is to create a YouTube gaming thumbnail using Gemini AI. So, what if I told you that there's a super easy way to create mind-blowing thumbnails in minutes using power of AI? Today, we're going to use Gemini image generation to create an epic Fortnite Marathon gaming thumbnail from scratch. Okay, you remember the magic for our prompt? Okay, you remember those contexts that we need to break down the subject, the style, the context, the mood, and the quality. So we will break it down with our prompt. So the prompt here is this: create a YouTube wallpaper. Okay, dash dash AR. This is for aspect ratio, vibrant and eye-catching bold gaming mascot gamer holding a controller instead focus while playing. The background would be a colorful neon with dynamic lighting, and then the text would be a glossy with the name Fortnite Marathon Gaming. Cinematic composition, sharp details, high contrast, designed for a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so you remember? Let me pull out my notepad here. Okay, so we have the subject, the style, the what else, context, mood, and the quality. Okay, our subject. Okay, well, what's our subject here? Okay, our subject here is this: a bold gaming mascot. Okay, while playing. Okay, here's our subject. Now, how about the style? Okay, the style is simple. It's here. Colorful neon background with a 3D bold text the bottom. Okay, actually, it should be until the end. This is the one. Okay, this would be the style, and then the context. The context is create me a YouTube wallpaper. Okay, a YouTube thumbnail. How about the mood? The mood is simple. It's vibrant and eye catching. Now for the quality, I specifically says here that I want a sharp detail and a high contrast. Now we have this prompt. What you're gonna do is hit the submit button and let's wait for the result. Okay, great. What you can see here is we have our prompt, and based on the result, can you see if we are able to get what we requested for our prompt? Okay, here it is. A bold gaming mascot holding a controller. Yes, he is holding a controller. And then there's a colorful background with dynamic lighting. And it's a YouTube wallpaper with aspect ratio of 16 by 9. And you can see here it's vibrant. Oh, this one is catching. Eye catching. Sorry. Eye catching. And you see the details. It's very sharp and high contrast. Okay, guys, your first generation of generated email might not like it, or it will resolve with a different aspect ratio, so you need to try again. You can tweak your prompt slightly, maybe change color or adjust characters pose and generate again, and it's all about experimentation actually. And just like that, you have an incredible professional looking YouTube thumbnail generated by AI in few minutes. So no need for a complex or software design. Okay. But if you want another email, I told you earlier, right? If you want to like edit this thing, you can definitely try it again. So what we'll do, maybe we change this one into let me think a title. We'll do 18 hours playing Fortnite. Okay. Okay, we just changed. Okay, I'm just showing you that the 3D text can be edited. Okay, so I'll hit submit, and let's wait for the result. Sometimes even you put like 16 by 9, it will generate a what's it called this thing. It's not exactly 16 by 9. That's why I've been trying to figure out what's the best way to get a wallpaper size that's size of YouTube, actually YouTube thumbnail. Okay, see how easy it is. Everything is via AI. Okay, it's even in 3D. 18 hours playing Fortnite. You can definitely play around with this prompt. Don't worry, I'll be giving it to you guys. I'll include it on my workbook prompt. Anyway, let me just show you quickly my vault of AI prompt. Okay, here you go. This will be, I'll be releasing like 10 uh, prompts, AI prompt for this. Oh, I think this is only the title. Hold on a minute. Okay, here you go. I have all this prompt. Can be yours. Okay, I'll be giving 10 prompts. Okay, don't worry, guys. I'll show you how to create this or how to use this one. Okay, that would be our next video. Have a great day.